Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning, which means I have already gone and done my weekly shopping at the market. This was a simple week at the store. Gotta love that. Last night I prepared creamy chicken gnocchi bliss. Basically, it's a creamy soup. Chicken gnocchi and a mirepoix of carrots, celery, and onion, and garlic, and plenty of herbs. Really good. 5 stars. Get it posted up for you this morning. Tonight, we're going to Louisiana. Cajun-Seasoned Shrimp and Sausage Linguine. I love Cajun. This will be the second Cajun dish in a matter of weeks. Let's get to it. Dueling Dutch ovens. One's for the linguine. The other one is for the rest of the meal, the shrimp and sausage. Got some, I believe these are 51 something shrimp. These are frozen right now, but I will get them defrosted in no time, to clean them up and get them ready to cook. And Dewey sausage, I'll use about half of this. I halved this recipe because again, it's only me. So shrimp and Dewey sausage, some garlic. I'm adding to this recipe. I will use half of this yellow onion and this other half of the red bell pepper I used a day or two before. Some olive oil, pumice, my Cajun seasoning blend, some smoked paprika. I'm going to add a little extra heat with some cayenne. Use a little bit of chicken stock and some heavy cream. And of course, I always have linguine on hand. So here are the goodies for tonight's meal. Yesterday, other than cooking, my usual stuff that I do, the videos and whatnot, I took the day off. I even got a nap. The night before, I did not sleep well at all. So we'll see what I do today. So on this Sunday, and it's going to be beautiful weather, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.